On this episode of Ghost Host Kitchen, we're going to be making a lemon poppy seed salad dressing. This is a homemade dressing that we're going to be putting over a simple summer salad. Now, to get started, we're of course going to cut our tomatoes. We're using cherry tomatoes here, just cutting them in half, and then we're going to set them aside. Just takes a minute to do this. You can get them at any grocery store. They come in little clamshells that are very convenient to use. Now, once you have your tomatoes, you're going to get your cucumber. And we're just using a regular cucumber. We're not using an English cucumber in this case. You're going to, of course, cut off the ends. And we're going to use a vegetable peeler to remove the cucumber skin. If you prefer to leave the skin, that's fine. Just leave it, but I take the skin off for mine. Very easy, very convenient to do with a vegetable peeler. It's not a problem. Now, keep in mind those skins, you can save them. They make great compost, and or you can just toss them away. It's really up to you. But always keep your work area clean. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to slice up that cucumber. Now, you're not really going to see it here, but we're cutting that cucumber in half, and then we're putting it on our mandolin. So we're going to get it going and make our little cucumber pieces. Look at them just fly out of the machine. It's a very convenient tool to have in the kitchen, especially for stuff like this. Much faster than simply using a knife. But if you have a knife, that works fine too. Okay, so now we're going to make our dressing. Our dressing, as I said, is a lemon poppy seed dressing. It starts with lemon juice. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Make sure you get all that in there. We're going to add our poppy seeds. It's about half a tablespoon worth. Then we're going to add some minced garlic. It's about half a teaspoon of that. And then our Dijon mustard. Putting about half a teaspoon or so on that one. Put it all in there. Then we're going to add a little bit of salt and some onion powder, and if you like, you can even add some garlic powder. We're going to mix that all together. Very quick dressing. While this comes together, I invite you to like and subscribe and click that notify button. That way you never miss an episode of Ghost Host Kitchen. Now, we've put our cucumbers and our tomatoes together. Next, we're going to add a little bit of red onion. These are conveniently available in the grocery store, already sliced. No tears. Just spoon them out. I think we put a tablespoon or 2 in there. It's really according to your taste. Mix it all up. And then you're going to spoon that into an appropriate bowl, however much you like, and top it with your lemon poppy seed dressing. And that's all there is to it. You have a very refreshing summer salad that you can eat anytime. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Ghost Host Kitchen.